Let's talk about creating documents, folders, as well as sharing them with others and by granting them access. So as you can see, I have logged into my OneDrive account. Here, you can see I'm in OneDrive. And once I'm in OneDrive, you can see all the folders and files that I have already saved or have been completed that are in my drive. But if I need to create a new document, if I go to the New button and click the down arrow, it brings up a new menu that allows me to create a folder, or I can create several document types: a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, a Forms, or even add a link to my drive. So let's say I want to create a new Word document. You simply click on Word and it pulls up Word that you can begin typing a new document. As you'll notice, the document is being saved automatically, so there is no button or place for you to save, but it is being saved and updated in your OneDrive. And it is named Document 1. Let's rename it Test. Now this document has been saved. Now if I want to go back to my OneDrive, I simply click on the waffle icon and it'll take me back here to my list of apps. I'll select OneDrive, and here I am back to where I started. And here is the document that I created. Now let's say we want to share this document with someone. Right next to the document, you'll see an arrow that is pointing out of a document, and this allows me to share this document with someone. And I can share it in two ways. First way is by entering the email address of someone that you want to share the document with. So if I enter an email address, this is entered, and now I can see that I've shared the document with Bonnie Anderson. I can also copy a link to this document. So there's a unique link created for each document type that you create. So it's creating this shareable link that I can email or share with anyone. And so if I want to just simply copy this link and paste in my email and send it to someone, I can do it that way. And to show you that this unique link has been created after I've copied it, I want to show you that once I paste it here is the document that was shared via the link. So let's close out of that and go back to OneDrive. So now we're back in OneDrive. So we can also tell that we have shared this document because of this icon here. You'll see two individuals, so it indicates that the document is shared. But you can also do some other things with this document as well. By clicking on the three dots, it also allows you to share here and copy the link again for the document. But most important is managing access for this document. So if I want to stop the person from having access to this document, I simply go to Stop Sharing. And it brings up this dialog box, and it will delete the access given to the person except for the owner. So if I hit Stop Sharing, you'll see it removes that individual's name, and they no longer have access to the document. Now, clicking on Grant Access, this is also another way that you can grant individuals access by entering their email, and then you can give them rights to view or edit documents. Doing this will also send them an email notifying them. So you have several ways in which you can grant someone access to a document as well as share it with them. So I simply close out the dialog box, and I'm going to refresh my window. And now you can see that document is no longer shared. But all of my shared documents have the two individuals indicating that it has been shared. Now, if I want to create a new folder, you simply go back to New, click the down arrow, select Folder, you type the name of the folder, and there you have your new folder. Now, if I want to see the details of the folder, I can simply click on Details, and it gives me information about the folder. If you want to see when a document was created as well as the various versions, you can also do that. So I have a document here that I was working on earlier, and I want to show you how it indicates how many versions of this document have been created. So if I go down to version history, it says when this document was modified and who modified the document. So it was modified 12 minutes ago each time, and it was done today, so there's no date. But if I have another document such as this document, our folder, the Human Resources folder, if I click on Details, I'm sorry, that one didn't have any, but if I click on this OD Word document, I can see that I have a version history here, and this one was modified 43 minutes ago by myself and on September 3rd by myself. So you can also see who worked on a document and when they last worked on it.